Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. What is a compound word? A compound word is a union of two or more words. Number 1, cup, cake, cupcake. Lipstick, lipstick. Moonlight, moonlight. Fish bowl, fish bowl. Snowman, snowman. Mailbox, mailbox. Butterfly, butterfly. Basketball, basketball. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Honeymoon, honeymoon. Cowboy, cowboy. Keyhole, keyhole. Pancake, pancake. Starfish, starfish. Lighthouse, lighthouse. Raincoat, raincoat. Keychain, keychain. Sunlight, sunlight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.